Hi guys, so the recipe calls for sifted flour, but you don't have a sifter. It's totally okay. I got a solution for that. All you need are 2 bowls, whatever you want to sift, in this case flour, and a strainer. I'm pretty sure you got one at home. So all you need to do is, you're gonna strain 3 times, because 3 times equals 1 sifting in a sifter. So, 1, and then nice and easy. And this is why you want to sift, because you see all those clumps, you don't want that to end up in your batter or any dirt that might be inside, whatever. So that's why you make sure it's clean. Also, it makes the flour lighter, so it gives a lighter texture to your end result. Whether it's a cake, a cookie, whatever it is, it totally works. This is my 2nd time, and then the 3rd time. Usually before you sift, you add the baking powder, the baking soda, cocoa powder, salt, whatnot, and that also helps for them to combine better before getting into the dough. And my last time, and if you can see, it's pretty fine, and that's exactly what you're looking for. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Remember to subscribe.